Babalik kung may pamasahe.
Kuya Boyting, happy birthday. Sana umabot ka lang video.
Iyak na yan. Iyak na yan.
Sana maging ligaya. I love you.
Thank you so much, Ate Ceci. Yeah, for the next wish and the next candle, we have another cousin, Mrs. Alice Aranda. Tita Alice. Tita Alice, where are you? Ayun, Tita Alice po, galing pa to sa Wonderland. Pero nakarating siya dito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ito na po kayo sa may cake. Paki-assist sa may cake. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sinihan po natin yung candle sa cake. Let's light the candle on the cake. Okay, bago po mag-wish, yung candle natin sa cake, let's light it. And before, dito po. Okay, yun na lang mga hawak ng ano. Before Tito Rob blows the candle held by his loved ones, close your eyes, Tito, and make a wish. Katay dito mga isang oras po. Ready ka na, Tito? Okay, blow the candles. One by one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much to the presenters of the candles. Alalayan po natin sila Tita. Maraming salamat sa mga pinsan. Tita Rob and Tita Yogi. Siyempre, si Tita Rob uupo doon.
2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to